Okay, so I want to thank you for the time you're taking to watch this video. In today's video, I want to show some of my works to you guys so that you help me improve. That is, I'll be showing you guys the works I have done in the past. I'm trying to revisit some of my old projects and try to improve upon them in any way I can. It's also a learning process for me, and I hope you guys will help me and take it together. So the first is this butterfly render that I made using Blender, of course. And I actually, the way I actually did this was the reference was from an actual painting, a wall painting I saw on Instagram. Then I modeled the wings. So they look wooden actually because they have these lines in them. And these lines are a result of the fact that I actually just pasted the image that I saw on Instagram and I placed it over there. So that's how come I have it looking like this. So if there's any way I can improve this, just let me know in the comment section. This is actually just a stage that was made. It was a project I was doing in school, and we're asked to design a platform like a stage that people can perform on for the freshers' night. So this was quite a long time ago, probably in 2019 or something. This is AJ Skincare, AJ Skin Secrets. This is a I'll say product visualization that I did. And I want to improve upon it, so I'll be going back to it to improve upon it. So just take a look at the render and tell me how you think it can be improved. So I think this one was rendered in Cycles and this one was rendered in Eevee. Cycles, Eevee. Yeah. Archery shooting. So this is actually a game logo that I wanted to just create a 3D version of it in Blender. This is actually how far I got. Actually, this is I wish this would be more detailed. So if I'm going back to this, I think I'll try to concentrate more on making this look a lot more detailed. Tell me if there's any other way I can improve this. Yeah, this is the same stage, but this time around it has more lights around it. This is also a laundry basket with balls. Not laundry, just balls. Yeah. I think I rendered this in Cycles too. And I used an HDRI too. Yeah, the same thing. Okay, and this is, I actually wanted to create something that looked like how do I call it? These Greek worship centers or something else. I don't know, the idea just came into my mind, and when you look at this carefully, you can easily figure out how everything was made. And if there's any way I can improve, just let me know in the comment section, please. This one is also a bulb render. I don't think I really did a good job with how the bulb looks like. Yeah. This is a fun, ceiling fan. I think I'm trying to improve on the look of the roof and the ceiling. If there's any other thing I should work on, just let me know. Standing fan. So in case I'm going too fast, I don't want to make this video long. Just pause the video and look at the render very carefully and tell me how I can improve upon it. This is a nice chest. This is my laptop. This is a laptop I made. This is really a long time ago. I don't think I'll make it look like, I don't think I'll make it look like this right now. Wow. Sometimes you revisit your old projects and you're like, I did this. Did I do this? Yeah, I did this. I'll try to make it look better. And this is also a Lego render. I don't know why I even did this. Okay. Okay, so we should rather forget about that one and look at this. Someone earlier on, when I made the video of how I tried to make a movie in Blender and I failed, you can obviously see that this is a render from that video. Someone talked about the fact that the clouds look too realistic and the actual environment also looked too cartoony. So there is this weird look from it. So I guess they should both have the same feel. So the clouds should be made to match how this area look. This was an interior design. There's something wrong with this render. I don't think this is the one I wanted to. It looks like the denoising, I don't know, maybe the samples or something was very small, so. I think there's a better render over there. I know this is not how the actual render looks like, but aside these problems, you can tell me any other thing you think I can improve in this render. This was also a set design, so it was to be replaced with a green screen. Same for this one too. It's all about letting me know how I can improve. This one's for the National Communications Award. Nivea, another product visualization I was trying to work on. This is what I ended up with. I haven't visited it. Like these days, well, I'll try. I really want to go back to doing all these stuff, so then I'll try to make them look better. This is actually a failed attempt as a robot model. This is what I ended up looking like. I think the other one is, yeah, this is the final thing I got. Texturing and everything was, well, just so now I can improve this image, this render the next time I'm working on it. This is a Cycles render, this is an Eevee render. Cycles, Eevee, Cycles, Eevee. Let me know which one you prefer and how I can improve this render. Delay macro in tomato sauce. I don't know what this is, but then I made it. It's probably a bottle with some supernatural juice to make you stronger. I think that's what I was thinking when I made this render. You got sunglasses over here. Spray. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comment section on how I can improve this. Probably the environment doesn't look good enough. Yeah, so let me know, please. And this is a tire I made. Let me know how I can improve upon it. Pen, watch. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you're going to help me improve on my renders.